You've had a long career entertaining fans all over the world, including, of course, being in Blazing Saddles. That was filmed right here, literally right here, on the Warner Brothers lot. What was it like filming that iconic film?
Well, I was brand new. I had done a picture called Paper Moon about 4 months before. I was a Dallas fireman for 14 years.
Oh my God, so was I.
That's right. He got fired in 1973. It was a story about him saving a woman. No, I won't even go there. It was, I had never been on a studio lot before. And when Mel and I made a deal for me to quit the Dallas Fire Department, come be in Blazing Saddles, I didn't know what a studio lot looked like. And I was so surprised that it was so huge. We did some work. There used to be a Western Street back here that they've taken out now. But when we did all the people running out onto the street, that was almost like, hey, catch us if you can. Mel Brooks said, just run out there, everybody run out there, and if the cars, or if they happen to be coming, just run out in front of them. And everybody said, Mel, we could get hurt, I don't care. It was just a wonder to be working on a lot for me. I was brand new, knew nothing about what I was doing, although I knew I was doing it right. And because, let me tell you, after about the third day, my character was not the character really that Mel wrote the part for. Words did not change at all. But Gene Wilder came to me and said, listen, I want to tell you something in case you're thinking you're not going down the right road, because, and Mel won't tell you, Mel will not tell you that you are doing it right, you're doing a great job, and he hasn't yet. Not yet. I'm waiting though. But he said, Mel has told me that you have changed the character just a little to not be a mean guy, just mean. I was a mean guy who had a big old smile on his face and was just having a great time with everybody about anything in the town of Rock Ridge. I loved it. I'm in the middle of writing a book right now about my first two films, Paper Moon and Blazing Saddles. And Blazing Saddles and Warner Brothers, back in the old days of actors and movies, actors were under contract. They were contract players. That went out, I think, in like the early 60s. Blazing Saddles, we were shooting in 73. And then people did not say, that's my home studio. Listen, this studio will always be my home studio. I loved working here. I lived at my first apartment was right up here on the hill at the Oakwood Garden Apartments. And Cleavon Little helped me get an apartment up there. And I will always, till the day my feet go straight up like that, I will always know that not only is Warner Brothers my home studio loves me.